In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Hostinger not sending emails. If you're not receiving email updates from Hostinger, or if important alerts seem to be missing, one of the first things you should check is whether email notifications are actually enabled in your account settings. This is a quick fix, and in many cases, it solves the issue right away. Start by logging into your Hostinger account and looking at the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile area. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. This section gives you access to personal settings and preferences, including the options related to notifications. Once the menu appears, click on Notification Settings. This is the section where Hostinger lets you control how you want to receive updates about your account, services, and important activity. If email notifications have been turned off, you may miss billing reminders, service-related messages, or other useful updates, so it's a good idea to make sure this is configured correctly. After opening the Notification Settings page, look for the column labeled Email. You should see checkboxes that determine whether notifications are sent to your email address. If the checkbox in the Email column is not selected, click it to enable email notifications. This tells Hostinger that you want to receive updates by email. Once the box is checked, that's it. Your email notifications are now turned on. In most cases, the change is applied immediately, so you should begin receiving future Hostinger emails without needing to do anything else. If you still don't receive emails after enabling this setting, it may be worth checking your spam or junk folder, just in case the messages are being filtered by your email provider. You should also make sure the email address connected to your Hostinger account is correct and active, since notifications can only be delivered if they're being sent to the right inbox. This is a very simple setting, but it's easy to overlook, and it can make a big difference if you rely on Hostinger emails to stay informed about your hosting account. So again, just open your profile from the top right corner, go to Notification Settings, and tick the checkbox under Email. That's all you need to do to fix Hostinger not sending emails by turning notifications back on.